Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of home decor and DIY inspiration. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I love to have you follow me. Today I'm going to be refreshing my family room, giving it a little bit of a makeover. What that will all entail is some new paint on the wall, a lighter color to kind of brighten up the space, and new curtains as well as a few different decor pieces throughout the room. So what I'm going to start off doing is you see me pulling everything out and just getting the space, bare as possible so that I can get started on this family room refresh. I'm going for more of a neutral color throughout my house. So the color that's on the walls right now is kind of a builder grade beige kind of color with like a yellow undertone, and it is a very basic unflattering color. So what I want to do is try to bring in a nice palette throughout the house. So I will show you the color that I am going to be painting as well as the name of the paint in case you want to try it out. So I originally had an orange sectional in this family room, and it was pretty much the color statement in this room. And I know that sounds a little risque with having an orange sectional, but it was a nice color. But I was looking for, more toned down look, so I actually brought this furniture from my former living room. It's nice, deep furniture, and I felt like we could be more comfortable in the family room while we're relaxing. So this is the color. It is called Mindful Beige, and it is a color by Bear that I picked up from Home Depot, and it is in the neutral gray beige family. And I thought it would be perfect because I still have this carpet in the formal living room as well as the family room and our bedrooms, which is kind of a beige color. So I knew I couldn't do white because that would just really clash with the carpet. So until we get the floors done in these spaces, I'm going to stick with this kind of grayish color. And I'm just going around, I said grayish, I mean this kind of gray beige color on the wall. So basically what I am doing is just going around the baseboards and around the window sills with the paint. I do not, as you can see, take off my curtain brackets off the wall nor the outlet covers. I just am really careful and strategic when I am painting around those areas. I do, as you can see, edge around the baseboards and the crown molding near the ceiling with my paintbrush, and then I go in with a paint roller. So it did take me all day to do this project. It was some breaks in between there, and also I had to let the paint dry before I could hang up the curtains and everything. So I just made a day of it, and it really didn't bother me because decorating is, I'm in my zone, and just kind of do my thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and come back with more details soon. So I was all finished with painting, and now I am putting up some curtains. These are some curtains that I had extra pairs, maybe like 3 extra pairs that I had purchased to put up in my former living room. They are really, really pretty curtains. It's more like a chiffon overlay with a blackout kind of light gray color curtain towards the back. You can tie up the chiffon sheer portion and leave the back back of those curtains closed, which doesn't let much light in, and they are really good on privacy as well. So I just thought that I would try those on the patio door. So now I am hanging up this decorative piece, and a tip on measuring, basically putting a piece of blue painter's tape on the back of the object, whether it be a picture frame or a decoration piece, to measure out where you're going to place your nails. So you place the tape on the holes on the back of the decoration piece, and then stick a pin through it to get those holes nice and measured, and stick it on the wall, and you'll have perfect measurements every time. So I am just going to finish putting everything back, and I'll come back at the end. I will leave details in the description box on some of the stores of where I purchased some things you see in this video from. If there is a store that I might have purchased something from that is not available online, like a Home Goods or a Tuesday Morning, I will not, of course, put a link for that store. But if you have a question on any items in this video, you'd like to know where I got it from, just leave me a comment and I will get back to you with that information. is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.